Hello, welcome to Jasmine Jassy. Hope you are all well. Let's talk about how to care for Dracaena type and growing tips. Let's start. The Dracaena genus of tropical broadleaf evergreen shrub and trees includes several species commonly used a houseplant. There are many types of Dracaena houseplant to choose from. Most of them have spare of grass-shaped leaves and leaves that extend of one or more thinned cane like main stem. Dracaena are easy to grow while they thrive in bright indirect light. They even qualify as low light houseplant. The plant is primarily grown for this attractive foliage, which is often variegated and comes in a rainbow of color in their native tropical environment. Some Dracaena plants grow up to 20 feet tall or more, but as indoor house plant, most remain under 8 foot tall. The plant is in the chances contains one that are toxic to dogs and cats. Dracaena care. Here are the main care requirements to growing Dracaena. 1. Select a location in bright, indirect light indoor or depend or dippled sun outdoor. 2. Plant it in well draining, slightly acidic potting mix or garden soil. Next, water it regularly in spring and summer and reduce watering in winter. Next, increase humidity level for houseplant in the winter if needed. Next, fertilize monthly with water soluble houseplant fertilizer. Light. Place Dracaena in a spot with bright indirect light while the plant tolerate short period of direct sunlight. Long exposure will cause the leaf scorch indoors. It also tolerates low light condition, although it will grow better with more exposure to indirect light. Outdoor, it needs a location in partial shade of or tepid sun. Soil. For potted Dracaena plant, use any peat-based commercial potting mix which has the slightly acidity that these plants prefer. If grown in the landscape in tropical regions, the soil should be rich and well drained. Water. Keep Dracaena consistently moist during their growing season, spring through fall, but allow them to go drier in the dormant winter period. Water them thoroughly each week, training during the active growing season. Letting excess water go out of the draining hole in winter, water moderately every 2 weeks. Temperature and humidity. Most Dracaena species thrive at temperature of 70 Fahrenheit to 80 Fahrenheit but will react badly if temperature drop below 50 Fahrenheit. They are tropical plants and prefer high humidity. Use a room humidifier is if the air in your home is particularly dry. Fertilizers. During spring and summer, give Dracaena houseplant a monthly feeding with a water-soluble fertilizer formulated for houseplant. Do not fertilize in fall and winter when plant growth slow down. I will share with you in a last dusting tip. So keep watching and like subscribe us if you are like our channel. Dracaena placement. uh, Place Dracaena in a north or east facing window or near a south or west facing window. Dracaena do better with bright indirect light. So if you want to put it in a south or west facing window or west facing window, You should sit it a few feet back from the window or pull a sheer curtain between the plant and the sun direct rays. Type of Dracaena. Out of the 100 plus species in the Dracaena genus, relatively small numbers are commonly sold as house plant. Popular varieties include corn plant, drago plant, Dracaena dermensis, dragon tree, lucky bamboo, Florida beauty, and etc. Do you know what type of Dracaena you have? There are almost 200 type of Dracaena, and they can be hard to tell apart. Pruning. Although pruning is not essential, Dracaena plant tolerate cutting back when necessary to control their shape or height. Pruning is best done during the active growing period of spring and summer. Yellowing or dead leaves should be removed as they appear. Propagating Dracaena. Dracaena are usually quite easy to propagate by rooting stem cutting, which is best done in spring as the plant is beginning to actively grow. Even just a bare section of the stem will often produce a new plant. Common pests and plant disease. Dracaena is susceptible to some of the same pests that affect many houseplants, especially thrips and malabags. The plant also attract aphid and spider mites. Fungal leaf spots disease is sometimes be a problem if the soil is overly moist. Common problems with Dracaena. Problem with a Dracaena plant often manifest themselves through the leaves, browning leaves, scorched leaves, yellow leaves, wilted leaves, etc. If you like our video, kindly like and subscribe us. Thanks for watching.